Now here we go. Hey there, my name is Innerman, the creator of the Innerman Arts channel. This is where I document my journey to become a great character artist and provide relevant information to any of you who decide to undertake a similar endeavor. This is the final episode of the Innerman Baseline Series. Now, if you aren't familiar with what the Baseline Series is, it essentially is a series of videos of me gauging my current art skills. In today's Baseline episode, I will be drawing the entire human body to the best of my current ability. Now, if you're new to the realm of art, feel free to follow along with me, you just might learn something. Or if you're a pro at art, well, just kick back and enjoy the show. Now, without any further ado, let us proceed to today's episode. Alright, let's conclude this baseline series by drawing a full human body. So let's start off by drawing a rough circle here. Then dividing that circle up by drawing a line straight down the middle. Then let's draw a horizontal line at the end of the circle. Then let's start forming the jaw here by drawing an angled line at this side of the circle down to this line, which is the nose line. And drawing another angled line to this line that's in the middle. And let's do the same thing for the other side. We're going to divide the circle up into thirds. So one line right here and one line right here. So 1, 2, 3 thirds. This line will serve as the eye line. So we'll draw in the first eye right here, and we'll draw in the second eye right here. And we'll draw in a guide for the nose right here, which is right here at the nose line. And then right above the eyes, we're going to draw in some eyebrows. So one on that side and one on this side. And then what I like to do is draw in some guidelines as to where the ears will go. So the top of the ears will go right next to the eyebrows. So we're gonna start the ear here, then end down here. Put in some details. Do the same thing for the other side. There we go. Okay, so we got both of our ears now, and the mouth will go like sort of in the middle of this section, of this portion of the head. Now before we finish detailing the rest of the face here, let's go ahead and start forming the rest of the body. So we'll draw in the neck here. And we're going to be using the same methods that we used in the previous Baseline Series videos by drawing a particular shape for the upper body. So let's draw in like a sort of a curved line here, which is relatively 2 heads in length. And let's make this shape like this. So you should end up with a shape sort of like this. And then we're going to put a circle inside. Okay, we're going to draw in a circle here, and we're going to draw in acorn shape right here, which will represent the pelvis. Then we're going to draw in some sockets right here on this acorn type shape in order to help us determine where the legs will be placed. Then we're going to use the law of opposing curves here in order to draw in the form of the legs. So you should get these like cylinder type shapes. And opposing curves is just drawing the curves this way, and then the opposite way for the other part of the leg. So this way and this way. I'm going to slide this up a bit. Now we're going to draw in the forms of the feet here. These triangular prism type shapes. Then we're going to draw on the other leg. So a lot of opposing curves once again. I'm gonna draw in the lower leg here, and draw in the form of this right foot here also. Now let's do something similar with the upper body here. I'm gonna draw in some sockets as to where the arms should be placed. Same idea here, using opposing curves. Okay. Then we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Alright. There we go. So now we have the form down. We gotta go ahead and start fleshing this out a bit. So we're gonna start at the neck and start fleshing out the shoulder here. And then draw the elbow right about here. Draw the bicep in, then the forearm. Then from here, the armpit will go down to the lower body, to the thigh, and straight down. It's just following the lines basically. Draw the knee in right here, and go down to the shin. Right there. Okay. We'll do the same thing for the other side also. Drawing the hamstring, then the calf here. And I guess we'll draw in some shoes for this. Now let's do the other side. Just follow the lines here, start to flush it out a bit. Drawing the knee, don't forget that. Drawing the shin, the hamstring, the calf. Then we're drawing the bicep here, forearm, hand, draw the elbow here. There we go. Oh yeah, I've got to connect this also. Okay, let's go ahead and start erasing some of these guidelines here. Then we'll give him a tank top, I guess. Give him a V-neck also. Alright, let's erase some of the guidelines here, so we can go ahead and finish detailing the head. By some, I basically mean all of them. Start detailing the eyes here by drawing in the iris. Pupil. Alright, let's draw on the nose here. Okay. Erase that guideline in the middle. Looks like we're just about done here. Let's just go ahead and define that line a bit. Slide this down a bit. Let's just give him an afro here. That seems to be my signature hair. And to be honest, it's the only kind of hairstyle I can draw at the moment. So just bear with me. And draw on the forehead here. Then just draw in some waves here for the afro. Then we can erase that guideline that we made for it. Okay. Looks like we are just about done. Let's just do some more erasing real quick. So that is the full human body to the best of my ability. Let's go ahead and end this off with a signature. And there we go. Well, that concludes today's episode, as well as the Baseline series. Now, if you haven't done so already, make sure to check out the other episodes of the Innerman Baseline Series. Now, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you don't miss a single episode when it releases. Also, to support the channel even further, make sure to join us on Twitter, Instagram, Discord, and Patreon, all of which can be found in the description below. Your decision to do any of those things would be greatly appreciated. Once again, my name is Innerman, the creator of the Innerman Arts channel, and I will see you, fellow creators, in the next episode.